Have you ever changed the Facebook profile frame for any movie? If not yet, here is your chance to change the Facebook profile frame for the movie Saaho starring Prabhas and Shraddha Kapoor, because in today's video I am going to show you how to make the Facebook profile frame in Photoshop. So before I jump into the tutorial, I would like to request you please do subscribe my channel because lot more videos are lined up in my channel. So let's quickly move into the tutorials. So we are having this much of pictures to make the Facebook profile frame for the movie Saaho, but we need to create a new file to make the Facebook profile frame. So I'm going to create it from here, file new, and select the custom preset from here. Okay, so we need to set the width and height into 2000 pixels since we are going to create the profile picture frame, and we know that the profile picture of Facebook is in square aspect ratio, that is 1:1. So we have to set it as 2000 pixel width and 2000 pixel height, and resolution will be 72, and the background color will be transparent. Okay, now click OK. Okay, so first we have to select the background for this Facebook profile frame. So I am going to create it from this picture. For that I am just dragging this picture to our file, so just drag and drop here. Okay, after that I'm just closing this. See, I'll just rescale this. So edit, free transform, maintain aspect ratio, and just drag this up to here. Okay, see, I need to remove the actor and the title from this image to make this as the background. So for that I am going to use some cloning method. So before that I need to select this area first. So I am going to use quick selection tool and just make the selection. Okay, we got the selection here, and I need to expand it a little bit. So modify expand and give it as a file. Okay, so it is expanded a little more. Okay, now I need to fill this area with the background. So I am going to use the patch selection tool. So this patch tool. Okay, so here what I need to make source as the patch area. So I just select this and move this a little bit here. The same way I am using this one also. Okay, now I'll be making this as a background, so I'll make some arrangement. I don't need that area, so I'll be making this, and we'll expand this little bit. Okay, so let me keep it now like this, and later we'll be making some changes. Now I need to bring the character to this image. So first I'm going to bring the lead actor's image from this photo. So I'll be using the same method to select, quick selection tool, just drag. See, I already made a video on how to remove complex background in my previous film poster designing series. So if you haven't watched it, you can watch it from here by clicking in the card, or it is also there in the description box, so you can watch that video to make more knowledge about how to remove complex background. Okay, now I'm going to refine this. So the refine edges. Okay, here see, I'll be selecting this overlay area, and what I need to do is I need to remove this area. So I'm enabling the smart radius, and if you want you can do the contrast to 2. Okay, and just click here. Click OK. So we got this, just drag and drop it here. So we got it, and this will be here. Next I'm going to use this image. I'm going to make the cutout of the actor and actress from this image. So I'm using the same selection tool, quick selection tool. Okay, I'll start from here. Okay, we have made the selection, and now I am going to drag this image from here to our file. So just drag this and drop it over here. Okay, just close this file. Now we got it like this, and I'm going to place it here for the time being, and we'll make the changes later. So first I'm hiding all this. Okay, first I'm going to work with this. So I need only this much of area of Prabhas. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a layer transparency. So give layer transparency of overlay like this. So if you're in linear dots, it will be like this, and I think it is better to give luminosity. Okay, so I'll be using this. Okay, just place it here, and now I'm going to make the placement of this here. So this will be placed here, little close to him. Okay, so now I'm going to make the cutouts of the actors, and for that I'm going to remove the background. So go to the background layer, and using the eraser tool, just erase. Now we got like this. I just want to make some more changes here. So now I'm going to make some layer style to this particular layer. For that I'm selecting this and right click here, go to blending options. I'm going to apply drop shadow. So we'll be getting the drop shadow options here by clicking here. But instead of drop shadow, I am actually going to make this as an outer glow from this drop shadow itself. So I'm going to change the color first, and I'll be picking the color from here out here. Okay, so this is the color, and see, now it will be like this, but I'm going to make changes here by increasing the size. So this will blur out, and the distance I'll just change. Okay, and if you want, you can apply the same for Prabhas photo also. So I'll be just copy this layer style and paste it over here, paste layer style, and here actually the transparency mode has changed, so I'll be changing it again to the luminosity. Okay, so this will be like this. Use the pen tool to make a selection of this. So I will just make an arc like shape here. Okay, I just want to cut this area, so go to path, load path as selection. I got this path as the selection here, and I have selected the layer 2. Okay, so while deleting this area will be removed. So just okay, so we got and select Control D to deselect. Now I'll work on the title. So I will select this using the magic wand tool. Just drag and drop it here. Okay, now just place this over the frame. So I'll just keep it here, and I will actually rescale this a little bit. So edit free transform, aspect ratio to 80, and I will just copy the layer style from here. Just copy the layer style and place it over here, paste layer style. So we got it like this. Yeah, this, if you want, you can just switch off. This one you can make it as luminosity or hard light. Okay, luminosity itself is fine, so just click it. So now we got it like this, and if you want to make furthermore changes or furthermore arrangement, I'll just move this a little bit here, because I'll move all this See, if you want to remove the gap, I will just move all this to here. So I'll be selecting all the layer using the shift. Select all the layer and using the arrow key, I will just move this towards the right side. Okay, so we got like this. Okay, I just arrange it like this. And now what I need is I need to mask this area. So I just selected this and use the mask tool and just make a gradient mask. So I'll just select black and white gradient, grayscale gradient, and I'll just mask it so that this will I'll just mask it like this. So we got it something like this. Okay, so I fixed this masking, and now our Facebook frame is ready to upload to Facebook. But before uploading this into Facebook, I need to save this as a PNG file, and let me just check it with some profile picture how it will come on Facebook. So I just enable this Prabhas picture itself. So if this is the profile picture, and our frame will be coming like this. So according to the profile picture, this will have different appearance. Anyway, we are going to save this as a PNG to upload to the Facebook. So I'm going to save this as a PNG file. We know that PNG files store the transparency, and Facebook frame need the transparency information. So I'm just selecting PNG. I will save this as Saaho Movie frame. Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, done. Now we need to go to Facebook. So select Facebook. I have made my own login, and I am going to upload this to the Facebook. For that I need to use camera effects. So just search here in the search bar camera effects. Okay, so camera effects. So you'll be getting an app to upload the Facebook frame. So just click over here, camera effects. So this is the sample. So we are going to create the Facebook frame. So we have to open the frame studio. Now frame studio is opened, and we need to upload our frame. So open frame studio, get started, and upload our art. Okay, so this was the PNG file. I'm just uploading this. See, this will come like this. So they are showing the samples when it is uploaded to profile picture. It will come like this. Okay, this will be fine. So we need to go to next, and we need to give the details. So name of the frame, so I'll be giving as Saaho Movie frame. Saaho Movie frame. So is it available anywhere? You can available for anyone, and make it schedule. Okay, then next. So now we are up to here, and now we need to publish this. So upon clicking on the publish button, Facebook will accept our frame, and Facebook will review this, and it will take some time. So after the review is over, they will publish in Facebook, and it will be available for everyone. And if you want, you can just share the link of the frame to your friends or everyone. Okay, so now you guys learned how to make the Facebook profile frame in Photoshop. Now you can create your own Facebook profile frame for the movie Saaho or any other movie, and you can upload on Facebook. So that's all for today, and I'm going to come in with another video. Till then, bye.